In today's video, let us see how to make street style Tawa Pulav. This is usually made in the same tawa used for Pav Bhaji. Hello friends, welcome to TiffinRoom. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. Take 1 tablespoon ghee or oil. I am adding ghee just to avoid the butter from burning. And 2 to 3 tablespoon butter in a large tawa or pan. Add about 2 chopped onions. Oh, I forgot to add jeera. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Saute it for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute. Add a little salt to taste. Saute it well till the raw flavors go away. Add 1 diced bell pepper or capsicum, half cup green peas, saute it. Add some salt for the vegetables to cook. Mix well, cover and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add sufficient amount of salt for the taste. Add pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoonful of coriander or dhania powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder. Give a good mix. Add some cilantro at this stage. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Add 1 teaspoonful of Pav Bhaji Masala. This is a very important spice to get the authentic street style taste for the Tawa Pulav. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon water. Cover and cook for another couple of minutes. Add some Kasuri Methi. Add some more cilantro. Squeeze half a lemon. Add cooked Basmati rice. I have pressure cooked 1 cup Basmati rice with 2 cups of water for 3 whistles and spread it on a plate while cooling down to avoid sticking. Give a very good mix. Add a teaspoon of butter and some cilantro. Cover and let it simmer for a minute. This smells awesome. Mix well and the pulav is ready to serve. Tasty, authentic street style Tawa Pulav is ready. Add some raita on the side and it tastes heavenly. Wow! I hope you guys like today's quick and tasty street style Tawa Pulav recipe. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.